Hi guys, I'm Jimmy, and we're cleaning the grill. Like that. Like so. So, let's get this game started. Jeez, I almost dropped that on my toe.
Where's the steel wool?
It's right by Gunner. Hey, Gunner finally woke up. Say hi, Gunner. Hi.
This says hi, Gunner. Hi, say hi, Gunner. Hi, Gunner.
You ever find yourself lost in the scene? Look at her legs. Like skin disease or something. I'm gonna set you guys down. Hi. Me again.
Again, I think Steel Wool is the champion of this match.
Yeah. Can I see it for a second?
No.
Yeah, steel wool is really good for cleaning grills.
Don't spray that on there.
Why?
Because it's kitchen cleaner. You just want the grill to be raw.
Okay. You only clean the outside of it. Oh, I forgot about my 0-calorie drink. Boring, right? It actually tastes honestly really good. Mom, look what I did. I wrapped it around.
Smart.
Now it cleans every part of it.
Better's gonna go try to bury his bone outside, maybe.
Not in the sand, because we're getting rid of this sand. Oh yeah, I just forgot to tell you guys about that.
He's mad at it and he's running away from it.
His bone fell out of his mouth, so he's mad now. He's like, where did it go?
I know, you're hilarious. That's why we keep you around and feed you.
If you weren't hilarious, we wouldn't feed you.
Just kidding. Of course we would.
Yeah. We have the weirdest dog in the town. Everybody's afraid of him. Everyone thinks he's a pit bull.
He's not. He's a boxer and he's
Yeah.
great. And he's nice and...
He's awesome.
He's
Mom, I
awesome.
get cuts.
Oh. Don't even joke.
It's from the grill laying on my leg. And just to tell you, it's me.
Hopefully we can do a video of giving this to Dad.
I am going to.
Hopefully he's excited.
Probably is.
Sometimes he's too tired to show true
We
excitement.
should give it to him when he's not tired.
When is that? He's always tired. We'll try.
I'll
We'll do our best.
yeah,
We catch him on a good day.
which is hopefully Father's Day.
Hopefully he'll be in a good mood that day. Well, we'll update you in a little bit on how the grill cleaning is going. So far, Steel Wool
Champion.
champion. Bye!